Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program Jeep Compass key fob updated. Start by sitting inside the vehicle with all doors closed and the ignition off. Have all key fobs ready. Insert the master key and cycle it to the on position without starting the engine 3 times, ending in the on position. Press any button on each new fob until the lock cycle, then turn the key off and test each fob. This step shows the precise sequence to program additional fobs after you access the vehicle programming mode. With the ignition on, press any button on each new fob until the lock cycle, which confirms acceptance. Wait a moment between each fob to allow the system to register them properly. After programming, turn the ignition off and remove the key, then step out and verify remote functions from several feet away to ensure consistent range. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car guides and tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It keeps instructions audible and playlists running while you work. I placed a link and current deals in the description so you can check them out easily. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If programming fails, try simple fixes before seeking professional help to save time and money. Check and replace key fob batteries and verify the master key is functioning correctly. Repeat the ignition cycling sequence more deliberately and ensure doors remain closed and power accessories are off. If multiple attempts fail, a diagnostic scan or dealer assistance may reveal security module issues or requirement for dealer-level programming tools to complete the job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.